My name is Paule Guérin. I run the Keim brand together with and we founded this brand 3 years ago to develop and sell wooden bicycles, which are quite technical bicycle made out of wood, just as it would be a really high-end material. So we build frames, hollow frames. It's like a bit like a monocoque frame from ash veneer. So it allows us to build a bicycle which are really smooth to ride. So that means wood is quite stiff. We can achieve really stiff bikes, but in the same time they are really quiet and smooth. It's reduced its bumper, all the small road grain, all the small vibration, and make it really smoother. So we start the process, the production process started with ash wood veneer, and this veneer will be fit together to follow the stiffness needs on the frame, and then we will press it together with an epoxy glue in a vacuum press, a bit like a carbon layup in fact. And then so the parts we made from this process will be then processed in a CNC machine, where we can machine it on a totally bespoke size. Yeah, we have a 3D model which then will be machined in the wood, and this 3D model is fitted with a table where we can enter all the size of the customer. So it's a fully bespoke frame. The whole process is about 20 steps. It's quite a complicated process, and it's along 1 month, but that's one week work. So the lower bicycle we have here is the first we designed. It's our purpose was both to develop the technology and also to go back to a really pure definition of what a bike can be. So that's a really minimalistic bike. We have really few pieces on it, and so for example the handlebar is integrated with the stem. It's also made out of wood, and we try to make it as easy as possible. So the idea was a bike is a really pure machine. It's one of the last simple machines we use every day or in our everyday life. So it's not covered, it's not hidden. Everyone can see the mechanic in it, and that was for us like fascinating and we wanted to enhance this characteristic of the bike. And the other bike you can see is more thought to fit the needs of the riders who like to ride a lot. And they use shifting systems. They use to have handlebar where they can take different positions, and so that's more a bike which could be compared to all the conventional material bicycles. So that's also a kind of achievement for us or challenge to be able to build a wooden bicycle that would be really as performing as most of the really high-end steel bicycle or even some carbon bicycles. So the one there could be even used for racing or road cycling in teams. It's really safe, and it has a really wonderful feeling of being smooth and reduced vibration. So you can have a long ride with it. Of course it has a really special design, so it's really always really a pleasure to share it with others on the road. And the other one is more commuting bike, a really minimalistic design, so for aesthetics lovers and design lovers. And I think it will be more used by people in the city.